Hello, I'm Yumi from Landsharp. Here we have equipment that we can test the soundproof and also the thermal proof. Now let's try the speaker. We have already installed the speaker inside. Now let's try the music first. And as you can see, now the dB external is about 116. Hope you can feel the difference that our window is good for the soundproof. Thank you. Here we will try the heating. And as you can see, I have just opened the light here, and currently the temperature difference is 29 degrees. Now let's wait for 10 minutes and see what's the change. 就这样，然后拍。